fall, we invite all of our engineering students down to the lake to watch the freshmen compete in the Water Walker event. The challenge is to work as a team to build a stable, floating device that will give you the fastest time walking on water. Our goal is to help students learn how to design with a few constraints, to learn from the testing and mistakes they make along the way, and to work together in teams, empowering each other towards the goal. Water Walkers is always the highlight of freshman year and the fall, both for the competitors as well as the upperclassmen who get to come and relive their freshman year.